How to change background color in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and open the background you want. Simply click on the sheet. You'll find position. Beside position, you'll find background color. Click on that and then you can select any solid colors or default colors if you make one. You can choose gradient. You can choose any color or make any color you want. After that, simply click on cross and your background color will be changed in Canva. That's how to change background color in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.